Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a brake light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Next, locate the brake light assembly, typically found on the rear of your car. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety before starting any work. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll need to remove the two retaining screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Once those are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight back from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it. Then, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, after you're done with your car, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the mess at home. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
With the socket in hand, simply pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, try to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it feels secure and properly seated. Now, let's put everything back together. Twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it back into the tail light assembly. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws to secure the assembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.